Okay, let's learn a thing or two about the factorization of quadratic expressions. Quadratic expressions, they occur in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. And so very often, okay, although we can use the identity method to actually factorize it, we can actually factorize it using the cross method. Okay, using a cross method. Alright, so if you have got x squared plus 5x plus 6, how would you factorize this? Okay, now you know that x squared plus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic expression. Okay, so let's draw a cross. Okay, and you've got this column. In this column you multiply, this column you multiply. Okay, this term will multiply by this term to give this term. Okay, and this term here will multiply by this term to give you this term. Okay, and then you add these two terms up, which will give you this term. Alright, so this is a bit of a trial and error guess and check method, but after doing it for some time you can actually work backwards and do it very proficiently. So what, okay, this is the first term. Alright, this is the first term. Okay, this is the second term, which is 5x. Apologies, this is the third term. Okay, which is 6, and this is the second term. Alright, okay, let's see, let's check out how to do this. Alright, proper. Okay, so this term, since you have to multiply and you have to get the first term, what the natural question to ask is what times what will give you x squared. This is very simple, isn't it? X times x. Alright, okay, and also this column, what times what will give you 6. Okay, you have various combinations, but you choose the combination that will help you to solve a question. Okay, say if you choose 6 times 1, yes, 6 times 1 does give you 6. Okay, and you take 6 x times 6, you get 6x. Alright, x times 1 will give you x. Okay, 6x plus x will give you 7x, so you have to cross this one out. Alright, a more feasible term would be, once again, draw the x. Okay, this is the multiplication column. Just to remind you, you normally don't do it there. Okay, this is the addition column. Okay, first term is just x times x will give you x squared. Something times something will give you 6. Let's try 2 and 3. Alright, 2 and 3 will give you 6. X times 3 will give you 3x. X times 2 will give you 2x. 2x plus 3x will give you 5x. Okay, can you see we've got x squared, we've got 6, we've got 5x, all the signs are intact. Okay, so we can represent x squared plus 5x plus 6 as x plus 2. It's a multiple of 2 factors, and x plus 3 here. Okay, so this is the correct one. Alright, this is the first, the third term, and the second. Shall I try another example? Okay, if you have got 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, let's factorize this. Okay, draw the cross. Okay, something, what times what will give me 2x squared, so it's just 2x times x, no two ways about it. Okay, 1 times 1 will give me 1. Alright, 2x times 1 will give me 2x. X times 1 will give me x. Now the problem is that if I take x plus 2x, remember this is the add column. Okay, here you multiply, and here you multiply as well. The problem is, if I take x plus 2x, I will get 3x. That's not what they want. They want a negative 3x. Okay, so shall I put a negative sign here and here? If I put a negative sign here, it makes sense that this has to be negative, isn't it? Because 2x times negative 1 will give you negative x. And if I put a negative sign here, okay, it makes sense that this has to be negative. So x times negative 1 will give me negative x. And then negative 1 times negative 1 will still give me positive 1. So there are no changes to that column. So negative x plus negative 2x will give me negative 3x. So does that satisfy everything? I've got 2x squared, I got negative 3x, okay, which is part of the quadratic expression, and I have 1. So, okay, I've got two factors here, 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. So there you go, that's factorization using the cross method, and this is used for quadratic expressions.